Pressure is stable at 75 psi.
Good. The sterilization cycle is complete on this batch. We can initiate transfer.
Check the thermal regulator on tank 3. We have a slight fluctuation.
I see it. Adjusting the parameters now.
The flow rate on column 3 is steady.
Good. The latest sample shows the crystallization process is stable and the purity levels are high.
It takes a careful balance of ingredients: calcium carbonate, purified water, and thickening agent.
Check the pressure gauge on tank 4.
Levels are optimal. Blending is proceeding smoothly.
Maintain the current dosage rate for the flavor compounds.
Acknowledged. The blend consistency is perfect.
Check the flow rate on line 3.
Looks stable now, but I'll keep monitoring the pressure.
In the packaging graphics section, precision rollers guide the tubes through high-speed printers, applying colorful branding with pinpoint accuracy.
And the error rate is holding steady.
Good. We'll be ready for the next shipment by 4.
Check the coordinates for aisle 7. We need that shipment prioritized.
Confirmed. The system has already allocated a crane. Keep coming back, you're almost clear. Watch the left side.
Clear on the left. Set it down.
Manifest 34B is confirmed. We are good to roll out.
Bay 2, you are clear for departure.
From the factory floor to the open road, this convoy ensures that the thousands of cartons derive.
Pallet 34B is clear. Move it to aisle 5.
Copy that. Moving now.
This pallet goes to aisle 4.
I'll take the next one, make sure it's secure.
Careful with the toothpaste.
Did you scan the last shipment of toothpaste?
Yes, I just finished the count.
Okay, move that pallet to the holding area.
Keep them centered. We've got a heavy load coming up.
Looks good. The alignment is holding steady. How about this one, the sensitive kind?
Yeah, that works.
All right, $3.50 for the toothpaste. Do you have your member card?
All set here. Thank you. Have a nice day. Almost to the back wall. All right, bring the next set up.